So now I'm on my way to Vaishno Devi, and the way to go to Vaishno Devi, there are like various means to take. Like if you are going to Vaishno Devi, either you can take a mule or a horse, or you can take chopper. But I wanted to go walking, so I'm walking to Vaishno Devi from Katra, and yes, there are like certain things to keep in mind when you are Jammu. Please kindly do your RT-PCR test, which is very essential to enter Jammu. And yes, the thing which I forgot to mention, you guys, if you guys are walking to Vaishno Devi, it's very essential to wear your comfortable shoes. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult to walk. And yes, second thing which I got to know from my colleague, that it's better to carry an extra t-shirt or something, because it'll be all sweaty and smelly. So you can change there. There's like couple of dressing room and washroom. So it's better to carry a extra t-shirt. That's all. And the important thing, guys, please carry some warm clothes. It's very cold here. It's not. So I'm done with my darshan and I'm on my way to my hotel, which is in Katra. So what I want to suggest you guys is Navratna is coming, and this is the best time to come because the temple is getting decked up and it's going to look really, really mesmerizing. So I think this is the perfect time to come now to Vaishno Devi. What else? Another thing which I really, really hated was normal people who are completely fine taking palkis. You can't give pain to 4 people and seek blessings from Mata. So that's all, guys. So now I am in Chetak Bhavan and I work for an animal welfare organization, and we are organizing camp for equines in Katra, in Riyasi district of Katra. And these are our workers and doctors helping the equines. Dr. Ramesh, you want to say hi? Hi. This is Ajay Bhaiya. If you are in Jammu, there are certain things you need to buy. First is Rajma. Here Rajma is really very special. So you can buy Rajma here. It's a very good quality Rajma. Second is you get tablets, masala tablets, which is again an authentic thing of Jammu, which is again really nice. Third thing is you get good anar dana here. If you are fond of spices, you can go for spices. And of course, anar dana is very popular here in Jammu. And fourth thing is, yes, of course, everybody knows about Kashmiri Kahwa. So if you guys are fond of Kahwa, please, it's a must buy here in Jammu. Fifth is, yes, they're Kashmiri handlooms and handicraft, which is again very popular all across India. So yes, these are few things which is must buy if you are in Jammu. Now quickly I'm going to give a short sneak peek of the place where I'm staying here in Katra, Jammu. Chalo, let's go and see.
This is my lovely balcony, and the name of the hotel is Imperial Hotel, which is in Katra Road. Chalo, let's go in. This is not a very great place, but yeah, it's decent enough. So this is the room. And the washroom.
Until next time, Jammu.